Hi, I'm Mark Newman, the president and founder of Precision Analytical. We've developed a new testing model we call Dutch, a dried urine test for comprehensive hormones. When you look at the landscape of hormone testing that's available, saliva, serum or blood testing, and 24-hour urine testing, they each have pieces of information as it relates to your reproductive or your adrenal hormones that's missing. This testing model was built to bring all of that into one test so that it's not missing any of this information. How do we do that? We use 4 easy to collect dried urine collections. The filter paper on this collection device is simply saturated with urine by the patient and it's dried. You can see from the data that the accuracy is not compromised at all by using a dried sample instead of a traditional liquid sample. What we do with those samples is we measure the individual samples for free cortisol. This gives you the pattern of free cortisol, and you can see from this study that the pattern of free cortisol as measured in saliva and as measured in urine by our method of testing gives you the same pattern of free cortisol that rises in the early morning and falls throughout the day. And this actual pattern of up and down of cortisol is a really key component of analyzing the HPA axis or cortisol production. That's a piece of information that as you look at urine testing, while it offers many things that saliva testing does not, it's missing this piece of information. So we're measuring the free cortisol 4 times throughout the day. Then we combine these 4 samples to look at the metabolites of all these hormones: estrogens, androgens, progesterone, and cortisol metabolites. If you look at the data, the correlation to a traditional 24-hour urine is very strong, giving you, when you put all of this together, again, a uniquely comprehensive look at your hormones. We think you'll find, as a healthcare provider practicing functional or anti-aging medicine, that you'll find that the Dutch model of testing simply gives you more information on the reproductive and adrenal hormones so that you can make better clinical decisions for better clinical outcomes for your patients. And we have a staff of clinical consultants and experts in this area to help you understand the results and implement them into your practice to find better results for your patients.